Alright guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Preston. I'm a master barber with over 11 years experience. On my channel, I'm doing haircut tutorials, vlogs on information that's pertinent to our industry, and I'm also going to be doing some product reviews. I have a few things in the works right now with that. In this video, I have 5 ways for you to how to use social media to build your business. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for being here. Let's get right into it. Number 1 of how to use social media to build your business. My number 1 thing is be creative and be professional. Get an app. I have an iPhone, so I use Typorama, and it's a print on photos or text on photos app, but it also has a lot of stock images and you can search, and you can use most of my thumbnails for YouTube are done in that app. So it's simple. And I did do the paid version. You can download it for free, but it puts a Typorama watermark on it. So I chose to do the paid version. It's $7.99 and it's awesome. I love it. I'm not sure on the Android side what they offer, but I mean, you can find something, I'm sure. Be creative with your post and take pictures from different angles and make them look professional. Don't just post a picture and be like, hey man, this is a taper I done. I mean, that's fine. I'm not saying don't do that, but make it look professional. Make it look like you put some effort behind it. Don't just throw a post out there just to throw one out there. If you need help, or if you need inspiration on how to make a picture decorative or look professionals, man, look on Pinterest, look on Instagram. There's a lot of photos out there. You want to do look at the professional ones and make sure that they are. You want to keep your page professional, is what I'm trying to say. Number 2, hashtags and geotagging. Man, this is huge. I know that hashtagging's been around for a long time on Instagram, but it's useful on all platforms. You can use it on Facebook, and you can use it on Twitter. I'm not too big on Twitter. I'm mostly a Facebook, Instagram guy, and mostly in my area. You got to figure out what's in your area, what people are using in your area. But in my area, it's a Facebook area, and I use Instagram for a broader range, more for my YouTube stuff, but my Facebook is more for my local area. Use these tags, man. It helps people find you. It's important. You know, somebody new comes to town, you know, they type in barber and whatever town you're in, and your posts are going to come up because you hashtag them. If you don't know what hashtag and geotagging are, and if you don't know the difference, hashtagging is for your service. Like, let me give you an example, like flat top or skin fade or comb over, or if you're selling products, it's like your product, whatever, if you have a shave gel, or if you're selling razors, or whatever your product is, it's a service or a product is for hashtagging. Geotagging are like your area, your state. My hashtags that I use are for my town, my state. Excuse me, geotags. My geotags are for my town, my state, specific area. So it's important to hashtag and geotag your post. I know that hashtagging, it's a lot to keep track of. So what I do, and it helps me, is I made a thing on my notebook on my phone, and I just cut and paste all my hashtags on every post. So you don't have to remember them, and you don't have to go through and type them out every time. man, all you gotta do is make the list one time and then cut and paste it. It's nothing to it. Number 3, use paid ads. I know for sure you can do it on Facebook, and I also know, I'm almost positive that you can do it on Instagram. I'm running 2 ads currently in my area, and you can set a targeted audience. What that means is, say you want to hit 18 to 25-year-olds. You can set your age range and say you just want men. So you put 18 to 25-year-old men in how many mile radius? 25 miles, 10 miles, 5 miles. I think my posts are reaching, or my ads on Facebook are reaching somewhere around 600 a day or something, and I'm spending a buck per ad per day. So I'm spending $2 a day, $1 on each ad, and they're reaching about 600 people a piece, I believe, per day. So it's really effective. It's really the best form and cheapest form of advertisement that you can do. Make professional, number four, make professional pages. Like, I mean professional looking, but also business pages. You should have your personal, like let's talk about Facebook. If you have your Facebook page, your personal page with your personal name on it, make your barber page, make up a business page and use that for business. And listen, keep it professional. Man, y'all shouldn't be flashing money around. Y'all shouldn't be throwing gang signs or if you want to do that in your personal time, that's fine. It's none of my business. However, it doesn't look professional, and you're gonna attract the type of people that you act like. So if that's the type of clientele you want, that's fine. Build your brand. Man, and I tell people this all the time, in your advertisements, your business cards, everything you do should look the same. So it gets to the point where when people see it, they don't even have to read it. They automatically know what it says. They automatically know that's whoever the barber and where they're at. And it gets so repetitive that they don't even have to read it anymore. Number 5, man, this is huge. Be consistent. You have to be consistent. If you're posting, a random haircut a day, or excuse me, a week, just randomly, just, oh, I did a good haircut, let me post this picture. It's not really helping you. Man, you need to be posting daily. You need to be interacting with your clients and your audience daily. And I'm not necessarily talking about videos, YouTube videos and such, but you need to be interacting with your people on a daily basis. But anyway, you have to be consistent in your postings. You have to be consistent in going to work, being there when you're supposed to be, consistent in your haircuts. It's all about consistency. And if there's one thing that's gonna help you, it's being consistent. If you can be the best haircutter on the planet, you can do all the fades, everything in the world, but if you're not consistent with advertising, with being at work, with presenting yourself in a professional manner, it's not going to do you any good. So be consistent. Post, use paid ads, get the app that makes your pictures and stuff, your posts look professional, and let's get to work, man. Let's build your business. I appreciate y'all being here. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and do me a favor, share my videos. There's a barber out there somewhere that needs to hear this stuff. So I appreciate you guys.